Tapos na yung Pasko pero hindi pa tapos yung celebrations, kaya New Year handa ideas naman tayo ngayon. Let's go! We got these platters from Denshos, Teriyaki Boy, and Sizzlin Steak. Tinry namin yung 3-in-1 bilao ng Denshos for 1,559 pesos na may Pinoy spaghetti, palabok, and pancit. Good for 11 to 15 packs na to. Masarap naman lahat pero favorite ng adults yung palabok, spaghetti naman sa kids. For me, palabok din yung winner dito. Nothing fancy pero on point naman yung taste. Tapos marami-rami rin siyang sahog. Ay, eto sobrang crowd favorite yung beef belly tray from Sizzlin Steak. Medyo pricey lang siya at 1,719 pesos, but you can also expect premium quality from the beef and masarap talaga. Thinly sliced, lean and tender beef strips and marinated in sweet and savory sauce. Dito talaga hindi pwedeng walang rice and feeling ko ito yung unang mauubos sa handaan eh. College favorite naman yung Teriyaki Boy and in fairness, ang sarap pa din talaga ng food nila ha. We tried the Teriyaki Boy chicken and tempura tray na good